You said you got Oreos.
Yeah.
You like Oreos?
Yeah. I bought that for me.
I bought that for you?
Yeah.
No. No.
No.
All right, Royal Family, I just wanted to let you guys know what we got from Walmart today. Yes, today. All right, so today's Monday and tomorrow is Taco Tuesday. What's tomorrow? Taco Tuesday.
Like my hair?
Yeah. All right, so I have some Doritos. I don't know if I butchered the name or not, but I got 2 peanut sodas. We got some Mac Cafe Breakfast Blend coffee and some Great Value sugar. I have 2 Morning Stars Chipotle Black Bean crumbles. 2 Sandwich White Great Value breads. A Great Value original coffee creamer right here. I got the Del Paso soft tortilla mini bowl flour bowls. It's 20 in there. This is a new try. I got the Late July Snacks Organic Blue Corn Restaurant style chips. Got 2 of those. I have 2 Honey Made Graham Cracker Crust, the El Monte Chicken Changa. This is vegetarian. Veggie protein. This is some steak fries, Red Robin, some Red Robin onion rings, got some Tyson Anytizers, boneless chicken buffalo style bites, got 5 mini biscuits. It's 5 biscuits, buttermilk, flaky biscuits in each. Stop eating that beef jerky. Got some refried beans here. Got 4 Kool-Aid packs. We're gonna make Kool-Aid pie. Got some red vines, 2 sweetened condensed milks, 2 Cool Whips. Cool Whip. Got 2 Cool Whips. A big box, the family box of Eggo buttermilk waffles. 2 mini pecan pies. Got some. My battery's dying. Sorry. Let me make this quick. So we also got some Delight iced coffee, some tuna, some caramel topping, some calzone pizza, beef jerky, ground, I already got that, and these 2 cookies right here. I spent $207 today. I bought my daughter like $50 in groceries too, so I did not go over budget. I spent literally like $150 on this stuff. All right, so I love you guys so much. Thanks for rolling with me today. I tried to do a day in the life. It just ended up being a haul. It is what it is. Even tried doing some cleaning. I'll probably just blend all those vlogs together for some mommy motivation, some ultimate mommy motivation. So smack thumbs up if you watch this video to the end. And guess what, Royal Family? I love you guys so, so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye, Royal Family. Peace. Peace, Yaya. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thumbs up this video. Say subscribe. Comment down below. It's tasty?
Yes. And then eat that
Oreos.
Open it up.
You like Oreos?
Yes, open it up.
Okay, I'll open it up.
It's so nummy. It's so nummy. My favorite sound. Mom.
What's up, Royal Family? It's your girl Leslie, and I'm back once again with another video. And today, today I'm here, and it is a beautiful day. Yes, indeed. I am washing clothes. It's another week, so I'm here to motivate you mommies to get your chores done. Whatever it is you have on your chore list to do, do it, work it out, walk it out, get it done. Alright, so I've already took 2 loads down to the wash house, and I'm headed up these stairs to get another load. Mommy. Right, so I've been, you want biscuits? Want another one? Okay. Whew. I've been packing all morning. My son's bed from Amazon came. I got 6 boxes packed so far. I want to get another packed. We'll see if I can get that accomplished. All right, so I'm about to load these clothes right here. This white and gray load. And here is box number 7. So it's a process. All right, so here is the laundry. As you can see, I have 3 triple loads. I am using, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, the Ultimate Fresh Great Value Paradise Fresh laundry detergent from Walmart. It works just like Gain, so if you want to save some money, go ahead and try that out. And I'm about to load up this laundry. Okay, we're about to load up the first 2. I do have a helper here today, Claudia. Hi, Claudia. This is Claudia from the Claudia and Hannah Show.
All right, Radio Family. So I do want to motivate the world today. The chores that you put on the back burner. Yeah, those chores. Yep, those chores right there. You need to go ahead and write them down and get them done today. We can squeeze anything in our agenda that we really want to do. Think about it. If there's a concert, we'll go. If there's a movie we really want to see, we'll go. If there's a certain food we want to eat, oh, we're going to jump in our car and we'll there. Well, let's show up for our homes today. Let's show up for our families. You know, I believe that a clean home is a happy home.
Just gonna go check the mail. I want to start all my loads at one time, and I'm waiting on a triple load. The park is still closed. The pool is still closed. Yeah, when we move, it should be open, so that's a good thing. I got a package from Scentbird. This is my second one. I am loving these scents. I don't know what scent I had on the roster, so just want to check into that. Oop. Okay. It's perfume. So, once again, walking back, got some bucks, gonna load up the other wash card. So this is definitely a workout. So far, let me see. So far I have 7,930 steps. Just from walking back and forth to the laundromat. Load another card. I just loaded the other one. So
My husband is a United States postal worker, so his hours vary, and sometimes I'm leaving and we're hit or miss, but we do check in and we keep in contact through the day using video call.
Hey Royal Family, since I've talked to you, I've been able to pack 6 large boxes and 2 crates and glasses.
Yeah. And then,
My son's bed also came. My son's bed also came, so I'm feeling real productive. Hey Dad. Alright, so yeah.
What's up, Royal Family? It's your girl Leslie, and I'm back once again with another workout. So get up and work out. I want to encourage everyone in the world to get up and work out. Yes, work out, sweat, get active, burn off those calories that you've ate all day. Working out gives you energy, little do you know. If you can squeeze time in for a workout, I believe your body will thank you for it, and you will feel good about yourself. You will feel more confident. You will begin to see the pounds melt away. You will begin to feel the inches melt away. My God, your clothes will end up too big and you will need to go shopping for smaller sizes. Your hair will grow. Your skin will clear up. You will be excited about life. Ask me how I know, because I'm excited about life. I'm losing weight. I'm down 35 pounds and counting. My skin is getting clearer. I have energy out the world. Yes, I am a mom of 7 and a granny of 3, and I got it going on, and I am dancing for wellness. I hope to encourage the world to get up and work out. My sister Nettie is my accountability partner, and we are inviting you to join us. Join us. Join us. DM me, email me, ask me how to get involved. We love you guys so much, and guess what? We'll talk to you later. Bye, Royal Family. Peace. A workout. Ow. A workout. Yeah. A workout. Ow. A workout. Ow. We believe that you are destined to wellness, prosperity, and travel. Love you.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile